Hello, my friends. I miss you so much. Do you miss me too? Are you ready to learn some new words with me? مين جاهز يقرأ معايا ويتعلم كلمات جديدة ونلعب ألعاب حلوة مع بعض؟ Are you ready? Let's go!
Learn with Yamna.
Guys, here we are! Are you waiting for the mystery box? The mystery box is just right behind me. What do you think we have today? Are you ready? Here we are! Here is the mystery box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, a car! No, we don't need a car. What about this? A bag? No, we don't need a bag. A bomb? Oh my God! Yes! Here we are! App! The app family! App! Can you say it one more time? App! It's your turn! Good job! Before we start a new word family, let's revise. يلا بسرعة نراجع بشكل سريع جدا. I'll tell you the sounds. You must blend it before the volcano erupts. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Add dad. What about this? Yam. What about this word? Man. What about this? Ram. Now look at this. This is my beautiful cap. Cap. Look at my cap. I love wearing caps. Cap. Cap. Do you have a cap? عندكوا cap? Yes or no? Oh, look at this. This is a map. Map. I can see a map. What about this? Look at the baby. The baby is taking a nap. Nap. What about this word? This is a tap. Today we've learned cap. Map. Nap. Tap. مين الشاطر اللي هيعرف يقرأ الكلمات لوحده؟ Here we are. Good job! Guys, now let's play a game. We're going to play the missing letter game. مين يعرف يقول لي الحرف الناقص من الكلمة؟ Here we are. Look at this one. This is a cap. So what is the missing letter? Yes, good job. Letter C. Cap. What about this word? This is a map. So what is the missing letter? The letter M. Map, map. What about this? This is a nap. Good job. So what is the missing letter? Nap. Letter N. Super. Now it's the sentence time. Let's try together to read the sentence. The man puts a cap on the map. Good job. One more time. The man puts a cap on the map. Good job. Now, can you read it one more time alone? Super! The man puts a cap on the map. Guys, I prepared a surprise for you. Can you see these worksheets? In these worksheets, we're going to learn trace and match. مجهزة لكم worksheets حلوة جدا جدا هتلاقوها تحت الفيديو. حملوا الوركشيت واتبعوها واعملوا tracing و coloring و matching وما تنسوش توروني النتائج. Guys, we are done! Yay! Today, we've learned new words, we've read sentences, and we had so much fun playing games. النهاردة انتوا كنتوا شاطرين جدا، لعبنا مع بعض وتعلمنا كلمات جديدة وقرأنا جمل. ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة علشان تشوفوا كل الفيديوهات بتاعتنا. See you later!
Learn with Yamna.